Peace, what's going on? It's your boy Serrano, and welcome to the new year 2020 and the channel. But today we have a package right now. I'm gonna go ahead and see what's inside of here, but make sure you guys stay locked in with me so we can go ahead and unbox it. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. Let me just put the knife right across the top. I love this thing, so easy. Well, we're gonna see how good the Apple Series 5 clone is to the real deal. So go ahead and see what's inside of here, but make sure you guys stay locked in with me so we can go ahead and unbox it. Stay locked in, but right here we have the package, and let's just take a look at it right here. So we do have an image which looks dead like the Apple Watch. It says silver, and it does say white. It does say the model number right across here, silver and white band as well. And it looks like this thing doesn't have any adhesive, so we're gonna go ahead. There's nothing to cut, so let's just... Oh, crap. Okay, so we are greeted with two different bands right there, as you can see, and the instruction manual as well. So they gave you a really large, oh, you get a QR scanner right here, so there's gonna be an app right there for the use of this bracelet. And let me just see if there's any specifications on the box, but there weren't any from what I can see, no. So let's just see, we do get this white band right here, which actually looks pretty cool. Let's put this off to the side. Then you do actually get the other band. So these are a replaceable band. Just like the Apple 5 series real watch, you are getting replaceable bands as well. Now, I've never had an Apple 5 or even any Apple watch, to be completely 100% honest with you, but we didn't see what is this? So it's like this is like a really weird, is this the charger? Yeah, this is the charger as well. And then here is the actual face of the watch. And let's just take a look at this. Wow, so it says smart bracelet on here. Let me just show you that. But it says right here, although the smartwatch can determine real heart rate, it cannot be used for any medical function. Then it says it supports Android 5.0 or higher. And then it just says right here, please charge the opponent ring before use to ensure the battery is fully charged. Please connect the two chargers of the magnet chargers. So basically, it's giving you all the instructions. You get exercise, sleep mode, health measurement. You do get blood oxygen, blood pressure, heart rate, as well as alarm clock, message reminder, and also you get text messages. You can see your phone calls come in. You get reminders to stand and sit. I mean, just stand, not sit. You're not a dog. But then you do get right here remote control for photo. So it's basically like a controller for your phone when you want to you open up your camera and take shots with it. But then you do actually get an app, which is right here, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. So this is the Lemfo watch, and you can see this is the one that they're showing right here. And incoming calls, everything I just said. It's even water resistant as well. Now let me just show you right here. This is the one I chose right here, the white and the silver. Just go ahead, find a QR scanner, then you scan the app, then you could just click OK. And basically it's just gonna load up that web page, and it's gonna take us to the app. And then right here we're getting the connector. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to find it. It's going to tell you the percentage right here, and you can lift up that thing and then close it. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. All right, so I'm gonna disconnect it from this because we got enough juice. It's at 93%. So let me just mess around with this thing real quick. There we go. So now it looks like it's on. You get your steps here, distance, calories burned, heart rate, oxygen levels and stuff, blood pressure, sports mode, sleep tracker, messaging alerts, and weather too. And you can find your phone, and you got a timer and settings as well. So let me just hit settings. So this must be like a fake button because it's not like working right now. Let me see. And that's the unlock button. Yeah, but this thing looks pretty cool. So let's just go ahead, open the app right here. And you can see that the app is actually running right now. So we're gonna go ahead and read what it says right here. Agree. Oh wait, what just happened? Make a nickname. You already know, C Butler right here. bind the thing to your device, and then you're just gonna click it right there, so it's connecting the bracelet. Let me put this on my wrist right now and see how that actually fits and feels. So that's definitely important. And let me just see. Oh wait, we are getting like some tape on here. Let me just take this tape off of here. And then you just push that right inside of there, pause, and it actually fits just like a smartwatch. I'm not really sure like if this thing has extra functions to it or if it's just there for design. Quick, and it says right here, photograph, find device, alarms, notification, time, style. So you can select all your different faces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. The Mickey Mouse one, and then this Apple one. I'm not sure if you can download more, but you get all this on the display screen right here. It lets you choose between what you want to show or not show. And then go back, you got left wrist screen brightness, sedentary mode, which will let you remind you to get up. You got all day heart, which will take your heart all day, your heart rate. My goal is usually 8,000, so I'm just gonna decrease that to 8,000 steps. Then you got weather right here, which we will put in our city. I'm just gonna put New York and then city. And then I'm just gonna put the time format as 24 hours. And then that's pretty much it. I mean, you can see you got alarm, find device, do not disturb. Everything's here. It's pretty self-explanatory. You click here for distance. And you could click that button right there where it says connected to get into all your different options here. And I'm sure there's gonna be some updates on this. This is Strava, which when you're connected to Strava, the Joyful data will be synced to Strava. So specifications here. So it does say 128 MB, passometer, fitness tracker, sleep tracker, message reminder, call reminder, remote control, push message, 24-hour instructions, alarm clock, power reserve, week, month. You get heart tracker as well, and you get all the languages, life proof. So it's like for if you're washing your hands, you should be good, but don't shower or bathe in this thing or swim. It says it has a MediaTek process. It's a silicon gel that's for adults, and it's made of alloy, aluminum alloy. It forecasts the weather. It's 24 times 40 as well in dimensions. So those were the specifications. Then when you go further down, it says right here, although the bracelet cannot monitor your heart, it can you don't want to use it for medical purpose, but you're getting a 1.inch TFT single point touch right here, which is actually pretty cool. A metal shell. It has a 170 milliamp hour battery. Time is 15 days usually. Working time is 5 to 7 days. Life proof, waterproof, dust proof. It says you could wear it in the rain, wash hands, but don't put it in hot water or swim. So you could definitely wear it in the rain. That concludes like everything here that I have for you. I'm definitely gonna buy more straps for this thing just so I could have like more options to use it with. But let me know if this video was helpful to you, and if it helps you make a better decision on buying the cloned out Apple Series 5 watch. But this is definitely pretty cool, and you do get that like flip to wake. So let me just show you. It definitely has that flip to wake, which is dope. It's not gonna have as many features as an Apple Watch, but that's fine. I wasn't expecting it to. But thank you guys for watching, staying locked in with me. It's your boy Serrano. If you found this video helpful, hit the bell icon and the like button if you do enjoy what you see, and also subscribe and become a member of the family. But welcome to the crew, and thank you for watching, and stay locked in for more videos just like this, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.